Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how to create farm account in Last Z Survival Shooter. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you need to open up Last Z Survival, and right over here, as you can see, I'm very new to the game, but right over here you have to press on your account, and then on your profile section you just need to press on my account, and right over here you will be able to see that I don't have any bind email address to obtain the first time. So bind an email account so you can enable cross device access. So you need 100 diamonds for it. You can just directly bind it, and then you can put in your email, and then you can do account management. Just make sure that you have one thing in your mind is that your account should be same states. So after that, you need to go back to your home screen, and then you need to go to Play Store, and you need to download this specific app right over here, which is called Parallel Space. You just need to open this app right up, and what this app does is just you can download apps and use them directly, and and you can just download any app. So for this instance, we're just gonna use Parallel Space to download another Last Z Survival. So how this works, you can just directly clone apps, and you can just find apps, add to Parallel Space, and right over here, as you can see, you can add more apps. If you press on add app right over here, you will find a lot of apps. So you just need to find Last Z Survival. So let me just quickly find it right over here. If you can't just find it, just simply go ahead and look it up, and here we go. Now you need to just press on add to Parallel Space, and here you go. Now you have Last Z Survival. So if you open it up right over here, you could just put it on another account and you're good to go. So yeah, this is it on how you can create farm account in Last Z Survival Shooter. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.